Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow WhatsApp Web to ask for microphone permission on your PC. With the latest update, the process has become even simpler, and we're here to guide you through it step by step. This quick and easy method will ensure you can use voice messages and make calls seamlessly on WhatsApp Web. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to WhatsApp Web. Once you've logged in, you'll notice a small icon next to the web address in your browser's address bar. This icon typically looks like a lock or an information symbol depending on your browser. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on that icon next to the web address. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. Look for the option that says View Site Information and click on it. This action will open a new panel with more detailed information about the website. In this panel, you'll see a button labeled Site Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all the permissions for WhatsApp Web. Scroll down until you find the microphone permission. By default, it might be set to Block or Allow. What we want to do is change this setting to Ask. This means that WhatsApp Web will prompt you for permission each time it needs to use your microphone, giving you more control over your privacy. Click on the drop-down menu next to Microphone and select Ask from the list of options. And that's it. You've successfully configured WhatsApp Web to ask for microphone permission whenever it's needed. Now, the next time you try to record a voice message or make a call on WhatsApp Web, you'll receive a prompt asking for permission to use your microphone. This way, you're always in control of when and how WhatsApp accesses your audio input. Remember, you can always return to these settings and adjust them if you change your mind. This method ensures that you have the flexibility to use WhatsApp Web's audio features while maintaining your privacy preferences. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy using WhatsApp Web with your newly configured microphone settings.